Well, wait a minute, I'm hearing two horns.
What timing?
Well, so we have a train here in Walbridge, Ohio. Right off of
Careful.
Walbridge Road, folks. So he better not block this, because it will be our only way back into Luna Pier. Will that be true?
Yep.
Wow, he's gonna be on. He's gonna be on the spare track.
Yeah.
Well, my camera was acting up for a minute. Well, not now. It sounds like
Sounds like there's a rooster around here somewhere.
no. It sounds like he is just crawling.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yep.
You made it, truck. Yay!
Oh man, is he sitting there?
Stay right there. I'm gonna go.
Maybe not.
Not about.
Look how slow these gates here go down.
Yeah, those are really slow, aren't they?
Is he?
It's an Amtrak, folks.
No, it isn't. He doesn't run for here.
Oh, he doesn't.
He is gonna stop, isn't he?
Why? I don't know. Look, he barely clears that. The lights. Signal. J.B. Hunt. Yeah. J.B. Hunt. There's a lot of stuff there. Stuff that you want to send overseas, you clear it in one of these tank cans.
Get him!
Down the,
Get him! I have no idea.
an ant, big ant. Look, it's a queen. It's a queen ant.
Oh no!
Yeah, it should be alright. Just gonna go back real quick.
Is he gonna end up blocking this road here or no?
Oh boy. He does?
Oh no.
Guess what? Well, we won't be able to
Get out of here.
get out of here, right?
Because
A lot of J.B. Hunt, huh?
we are on the other
Well, this is what we decided to do. We just saw him and decided to get over.
on this side of the road.
Yep.
He's stopping or no?
Oh boy, I don't know. Slow it down.
He is on a spare track.
He is.
Is he really slowing down?
Yeah, he's slowing down. No, is he gonna stop? I don't know.
I knew I could hear two horns.
You did?
Yeah, it's just...
Where are you gonna get it to?
I don't know. Well, it was only on the one track that was red and red, wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh, man, there's no wonder.
What?
That queen was out to attack you because you're standing right on top of their mound. Right on top of the ant mound.
Oh no.
Yeah, look. Oh,
Oh man. Oh no. Should I be alright?
You'll be fine. They're kind of mad though.
Oh no.
They're like, who does this guy think he is? And that's why they sent the queen after you.
Oh no. Is he really gonna end up bugging this road or
No,
no?
we got FedEx, folks.
Did he? Is he or no?
Well, I don't know.
No.
Oh, it should be broken.
No. We do not live here.
But would they care, you think?
Yeah, they would care. Buy your own swimming pool if you really want one that bad. He is stopping, isn't he?
Well, I don't know. It's slowing down, but they can find out. Sure.
You doubt it, right?
Yeah, I doubt it.
What did block this road last time? A lot of steel?
Yeah, it was. It was a lot of steel. I just remember that guy getting so mad. that was funny. He got so mad that he had to back up at 50 miles an hour. Turn around.
Right here is located on the NS Chicago line.
Yes, and that's Chicago line, folks.
Which actually goes further than Chicago, apparently.
Oh, I'm sure. Probably goes all the way to California.
No, it goes in Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Yeah.
South.
Oh no, I have another ant on me.
You do?
Oh no. Do I?
No, you're fine. Join us next week, folks, and we'll have jumping monkeys
No.
on the tops of the trees.
No. I know.
Oh
He is gonna block this road, isn't he?
no. Well,
Is he moving slower?
he is moving slower. I don't know the exact speed. I can use my radar thumb.
No. No. Whoa.
Oh, well. Oh boy.
Maybe.
What?
Oh no.
What? Oh no, what?
He is gonna stop, isn't he?
Oh, come on. What?
Right here on camera.
Right here on camera, he's gonna stop. And
Right here on camera, sir.
and you saw it here first, folks. It's gonna stop right here on this after Labor Day special.
No.
Not?
That is way over with.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Oh no.
Oh boy. Oh my. Oh my.
Oh man. Don't even. Is he gonna end up blocking this? Or is he almost to the end? Did he? Is he longer? Oh no. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for you to use the bathroom. And we are on the other side of these tracks. Now what? Is he still crossing Pemberville Road right there? Right there is the next crossing. Oh no! Oh no! Whoa!
like tapping on the brake, huh?
Yeah, he's only going about like 5. Is he still crossing Pemberville Road?
Pemberville. Yes.
Look at it right here on camera.
Right here on camera, here and now in Walbridge. Remember, you saw it here first, folks. We get you the best train videos on the planet. And that's why we're out here. We're getting you the best.
Well, some of it out here.
Yeah.
Oh no.
So anyway, this guy has to stop apparently.
Pen what?
Penstro Leasing
LLC.
LLC. Limited Liability Company. What?
Whoa.
I hope it doesn't come decoupled.
He won't. How fast is he going? Only about like 4?
He's going like 1.
2?
He's doing 1. What?
Oh no.
What?
Oh no. I told you he's on the spare track. Oh no.
Well, we hope you're enjoying this one, because he has now stopped, folks. Yep, that's right. Right here in Walbridge, he's blocking the road, and he has stopped. So
Well, now we have a train blocking Walbridge Road now. On the what? I will never make it out of here. Oh no. Oh no. Here is the wait side signals. Here in Walbridge. Alright, we are here on the other side of the road now. Well, not really. It was over there. And now I'm over here. He is blocking 2 crossings from the logs. Well, I just heard the sounding of the horn. Either it's for the one here, maybe not. We have another train coming here. I have no idea if you can see them coming through or not. Can you turn down your game on your phone, Daddy? I keep hearing your game. Oh, here comes the other one. Folks! See, Daddy? And the one here is on the main track. Daddy! The one... Is the one here moving out, Daddy? What about this other one?
0.
3 engines?
Yes.
Look at videoing. See it?
Yep. Wow, he is moving out. Man.
So yeah, the one here could be held up for him. Right?
Yeah.
Could that be why?
Yep. Well,
Well, that's it.
yeah, he blew through here like a storm.
Now, are the gates gonna be... Now, are the gates gonna go up now? No.
No.
Why not?
Oh, is this guy still sunning here? Boy, he blew through here quick now. Man, wow.
Oh. Now this other guy should be on the move soon. As soon as he moves, we can... And after he ends this road, we can finally get out of here. Right?
Yeah. So we've been sitting here for about 5 hours now.
No,
And
5 hours would have been 4 o'clock in the morning. What? I am hearing another horn.
yes, you are. The same train that just went by. You're hearing that horn.
I'm gonna pause the camera for now, I guess.
Well, okay. Push this over. It will probably take that tree out.
Yeah, but heck no.
Heck no, Daddy.
Here comes a guy turning around where we had our car parked last time.
Still hear that horn.
Who knows? It could be another horn. We don't know.
Right? We do not know.
Well, we are here at the same situation still. But I don't think he is blocking Pemberville Road from the looks. I can hear that in the video, Diddy. Thank you. Oh no. Whew. Yeah, he turned. Okay. Anyway, once again, here is the wait-sided signals, what they have here. Look how huge it is.
Uh-oh.
Oh! I think it's about to move. Could that be the sound of it?
Yep.
What does that mean? He's about to move?
Yep.
Well, folks, I think he is about to move. Let's see what happens. I think so, yep. Or maybe not. Right?
Right.
Well, not yet, by the way. Right?
Right.
Oh. Was that a good sign though?
Yeah.
Yay! As soon as he starts moving, yay! Is he moving or not yet?
Nope, not yet. I said maybe he'd move by Wednesday.
No!
4 o'clock.
No! I need to be home at 3:34.
Oh yeah, okay. Today, not Wednesday.
Can you close your passenger side door?
Well, how come?
Because the bugs may be in the car.
The window's wide open, it won't matter.
Oh! Was it him moving or no?
Happening, folks.
Is it?
Oh no, I hear another.
I think it's him honking his horn.
Oh boy. Well, he's a long ways off if that's him. At least the engine is.
Oh, that's another train, Daddy.
Is it?
Yeah. Here he goes. Right here on camera once again. Oh no, that could have been him, right? Right, Daddy?
Right.
Yes. It could have been him. I could be hearing another train on the other main track. Could that be true? Wait a minute. I think the other main track is another spare track, right? Wait a minute. I think he's gonna be on the same track as the other one. Watch, here he comes. Watch, here he comes.
Are you hearing another train?
Yep.
Tommy dog,
Hey, you know what it was? 4444. Yeah, yesterday in Newport. Is he also moving out? Another puny train. You know what? Did he? I think he only had an engine and cars.
Yeah, he only was one engine.
Yeah. And yesterday's train had free. We might be having some good luck out here.
Yeah, no kidding.
Daddy, come here, video him. And I was already videoing before he took off.
For real?
Yes. Do I have anybody behind me?
Yes. About 3 cars out of motion.
least the one here's moving now.
Yes.
We can finally leave now, right?
Maybe.
If the gates will go up, we will see. Get away from the road. If they want to go up, there they go.
Come on, sit back a little bit.
Well, I do not want to walk in that ditch. Oh. Man, here comes a motorcycle. At least I have some more room here. Right?
Yep.
Well, the chicken train is only a mile already. See here, he's only a mile already. See, we have another one. We only have one yellow and red, which is over here, which is another spare track. So
This one goes to Holland, right?
Yes.
I hear the horn way over there.
You mean I'm hearing another train? Could that be true?
Well, yeah, they could be true.
Well, that